Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is only lasting a mere 5 minutes, you're not alone. This issue typically arises from the battery's deterioration over time, which affects its ability to hold a charge. If left unaddressed, you may find yourself unable to use your vacuum cleaner for even the simplest tasks, leading to frustration and inconvenience. To tackle this problem effectively, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a prying tool, and a compatible replacement battery. First, ensure your Dyson V10 is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the screwdriver to carefully remove the screws located on the back of the device. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the prying tool to open the casing. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any internal components. Inside, you'll locate the battery, which is usually secured with additional screws. Take your screwdriver and remove these screws, then disconnect the battery cables by gently pulling them apart. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After the battery is disconnected, you can proceed to remove the old battery from its compartment. Now, take your new compatible battery and carefully place it in the same slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery cables, making sure they are secure. Once everything is in place, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the casing back together. Don't forget to double-check that there are no loose components before you close it up. Once you've finished assembling your Dyson V10, plug it in and turn it on to verify that it's functioning properly. If it powers up and runs smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. However, to prevent this issue from happening again in the future, it's advisable to store your vacuum in a cool, dry place and avoid letting the battery fully deplete on a regular basis. Regularly cleaning the vacuum and checking for blockages can also help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.